So today I'm going to teach you on how to make dynamic chart using Slicer. So this is your table, right? So now click on the table and then after type on Control C. This table has already made. Now table design, make sure to go down and clear the table. Now turn off your filter button. Now after doing that, what you're going to do is click on the insert slicer and click on the compounds. Now click on OK and you'll find a slicer table right over here. So now to just increase it, just go and increase the column for the table to work on. Now after doing this, go and search on your insert and insert a scatter table. So you can see that I have opened a scatter table right over here. And you can see different day, there is written different data, and you can just go and switch it to your rows and column. So after that, you can see one particular data shown over here. Now you can go ahead and check it over here like this. Then you can switch it like the one you want. You can select your data and switch it around. Now for this data, I want this one. So you can see the data properly in your SF6 one. And then after, this is how you can easily go and, make a dynamic, chart. You can select multiple rows and then after switch your rows, columns. You can change this like this, right? Format. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.